From Creamer Media in Johannesburg, this is the Real Economy Report. Our top stories this week. We look at a new South African weapon system for helicopters. Effective waste management is a driver of a green economy in South Africa. And a dual focus is needed in the South African mining industry. South Africa's ATE has developed a weapon system optimized for European airspace major Eurocopter's helicopters. Keith Campbell has the story.
ATE, or Advanced Technologies and Engineering to give it its full name, and Eurocopter recently demonstrated ATE's Standalone Weapon System, or SAWS, fitted to a Eurocopter EC635 helicopter. This combination has been ordered by an unnamed export customer. Eurocopter Southern Africa CEO Fabrice Cagnard explains why the giant European company is working with ATE on this program.
We are working with ATE. We have identified that ATE has a knowledge in weapon integration in airplanes of very high quality. Therefore, Eurocopter willing to be able to propose to its market some weapon system to be fitted on the helicopter. We have decided to team up with ATE, and also because the South African market is a key market to Eurocopter. Reason of the presence of Eurocopter in South Africa for now nearly 30 years.
ATE's manager for the program, John Reynolds, explains what the SAWS is and how they came to develop it.
The SAWS is a standalone weapon system. It's able to be fitted to an aircraft reasonably quickly and simply. It doesn't necessarily rely on the platform on which it is mounted, and this makes it transferable and deployable on many different types of helicopters. We've optimized it specifically for the Eurocopter range of helicopters. We came to start developing the SAWS approximately 18 months ago when Eurocopter approached us to assist with the development of a standalone weapon system for them.
Effective waste management has been identified as one of the drivers of a green economy in South Africa. Christy van der Merwe visits Extrapet, a successful PET plastic recycling company in Johannesburg, to see how it works.
Plastic is prevalent almost everywhere in our daily lives. It is convenient and affordable. But because of its durability, degradation is slow, posing an environmental challenge, littering our landscapes and piling up in our landfills. But this does not need to be the case. It's 100% recyclable, and this is what is happening at the Extrapet facility in Wadeville. A green industry creating jobs where PET drinking bottles and HDPE detergent and milk bottles are recycled. The plastic waste is brought in by collection companies. Bales are loosened and then bottles go through a sieve to shake off as much dirt as possible. Then the high-tech process starts. Bottles are sorted into types of plastic and color, and PVC in the form of labels and lid liners is removed. The bottles are chopped and washed and moved through a flotation chamber to once again separate any remaining PVC. The dry, clean, chopped PET flakes are then heated. In molten form, the PET is run through a filtration system and emerges looking like strands of translucent spaghetti. This is passed through water to cool. Finally, the strands are cut into pellets resembling glass beads, bagged and ready for transport. Recycled PET is then supplied to manufacturers of polyester staple fiber, filament yarn, geotextiles producers, and industrial fabrics, strapping, sheeting, and non-food grade bottles. And now, Extrapet has a highly specialized facility to produce recycled PET for use in food grade plastic manufacture. It is the only such facility in Africa, and already demand for the product has been fully taken up by customers. Extrapet also uses polyolefins from the process to create plastic profiles for wooden applications, such as pallets, bollards, and furniture. Through the process, the company is proving that used plastic is not waste, and recycling it is assisting the environment, making useful products, and creating much-needed jobs in South Africa.
Transformation was a hot topic of debate at the recent Mining for Change conference, which was held in Johannesburg. Jonathan Fourie reports.
Nationalisation of the mining industry has been a focus of the African National Congress since it came into power in 1994. In order for this to move forward in 2010, rules within the industry need to be changed. McKinsey expert principal Dr. Hans Play discusses why this needs to occur.
I believe, however, from just listening to many of the speakers here and to general observations, that there is a a large unmet need in South Africa society for more growth of employment, for more macroeconomic growth, and for a more rapid transformation of the society.
He adds that equal attention needs to be paid to advancing the industry as well as its transformation.
Well, I believe we need to have equal focus on growth of the sector and on continued transformation of the sector. One cannot exist without the other. That point was made very clearly here, that transformation, is necessary in order to ensure that growth can happen, but also it's quite important that we don't sacrifice growth of the sector for the benefit of sharing the spoils of the sector more rapidly.
That's Creamer Media's Real Economy Report. Join us again next week for more news and insight into South Africa's real economy.